Hello everyone, this is Fahim and today is my day 3 in the 10 days broadcasting challenge, and I'm really very excited for today's live. First of all, I'd like to remind you with a positive vibe, which is if you are healthy and if you are feeling well, give a gratitude because later this day I was feeling headache and it continued for 2 hours, and I felt really bad because of that headache. So I took a medicine, and Alhamdulillah, I'm now very well. I'm feeling very well now, and that's why I realized that feeling well and feeling healthy is a gift. Is a gift from Almighty. So if you are feeling well and if you are feeling healthy, um, give yourself a gratitude. Feel happy because of it. Okay. So let's start today's topic. If you are seeing this live right now, write in the comment hashtag live, and if you're watching the replay, write hashtag replay. So this is my day 3 in the 10 days broadcasting challenge that I took on myself. I had this idea that I will go on Facebook Live for 10 consecutive days to become an expert in broadcasting. Okay, as an affiliate marketer or online entrepreneur, you need to become an expert on broadcasting. So yeah, this is my day 3, and today's topic is traffic for affiliate marketing. Okay, everyone needs traffic. If you're an affiliate marketer, you need traffic. So I will be talking about traffic, and if you want to know that, stay with this live, and it will not be too long. Okay. So what is this 10 days broadcasting challenge? Okay. The 10 days broadcasting challenge is that I will come on Facebook Live for 10 consecutive days, and I believe that if I want to be expert on something, there is no greater secrets than doing that again and again. Okay, I want to be an expert in broadcasting because I want to do YouTube videos, I want to do Facebook Lives, and I want to share valuable lessons through Facebook Lives, and that's why I need to become an expert. And I believe after 10 days, I will become an expert in broadcasting. So this is my day 3, and I highly strongly recommending you to do the same. Okay, I strongly recommending you to do the accept this challenge. Okay, accept this 10 days broadcasting challenge, and you will see massive change yourself. Okay, so if you want to take the challenge, write in the comment hashtag challenge accepted, and here are some ground rules for this 10 days broadcasting challenge. First of all, the first rule is you have to go to live for 10 consecutive days. Whether you feel like doing it or not, you have to. Okay, I wasn't feeling so well today, but still I am on live because I accepted the challenge. So you have to go to live for 10 days. Okay, and the second rule is you have to stay in live for at least 5 minutes. Okay, for at least 5 minutes, and you can choose Facebook or Instagram live, doesn't matter, but you have to do this for 10 days. So these are some ground rules for this broadcasting challenge, and now I'm going to move to our topic today, which is traffic for affiliate marketing. Well, I know that I have a lot of friends in my Facebook friend list who are affiliate marketer, and I'm an affiliate marketer myself. So I'll try to share my knowledge with you so that you can be benefited from it. Okay, so the thing is, doesn't matter what you promote, there are already countless number of traffics out there. Okay, you don't have to create traffics, they're already there. All you have to do is connect with them. Okay, all you have to do is connect with them and solve their problems. So you don't need to create traffic, they're already there. All you have to do is connect with them. So you have to ask yourself 3 questions. Okay, you need to really think about these 3 questions, and the 3 questions are: who are your traffic, who are your customers? Okay, this is the number one. The second question is, what do they want? And the third question is, where are they gathering? Okay, so you really need to think deeply about these three questions so that you have an understanding about your customer or your target audience. Okay, the more you know your target audience, the more easily you will find them and the more money you will make. This is very simple. So three questions are: who are your traffic, what do they want, and where are they gathering? Okay, so if you are promoting some products like me, such as one funnel away challenge, easy one up, my target audiences are those who wants to make money online. This is my niche. Those who wants to make money online and those who wants to start an affiliate marketing career. This is my niche and this is my target audiences. So think about your target audience, and you have to be very clear about what they want. Okay, and when you think about this, you will come up with some questions that your some questions and some problems that your target audience are facing. Okay, so when you know what they want, you will also know what problems they are facing, and your job is to connect with them and solve that problem. Okay, when you successfully solve that problem, they will definitely buy from you. Okay, so you have to be very clear about what they want. And the third question you need to ask yourself is where they are gathering. So I'm going to mention some places where your traffic, where your target audiences are gathering. The first one is Facebook groups. Okay, you can visit your targeted niche. You can visit Facebook groups of your targeted niche. For example, my niche is make money online, and there are lots of groups on this niche where my target audiences are hanging out. Okay, they are sharing values, they are asking questions, so I know their problems very easily in those groups. So Facebook groups are number one, where you can connect with your target audience. And number two, the second place is Quora. Quora is an amazing platform where you will learn a lot of questions your target audiences are asking. You will know their problems there. Okay, the second choice is Quora, and the third is YouTube videos. Okay, you can watch YouTube videos and in your targeted niche, and in the comment sections you will see a lot of your target consumers. They are asking questions, sharing their problems, talking with each other. Okay, so this is number three. So there are other places also. So these are three places where your target audiences are gathering. So you have to know very well that where your target consumers or target audiences are gathering. Okay, you have to know it very well, and you have to go there, visit those places, and actively engage with your consumers. Okay, you have to engage with them, connect with them, and talk with them, try to solve their problem, and eventually they will come to you and connect with you. So I will not talk deeply about this because of time limitation. So this was my day 3 in the 10 days broadcasting challenge, and I believe that my skill is going high. Slowly becoming an expert in broadcasting. So this is it for today. I will talk with you again in my live tomorrow. So until then, be safe, have a good day.